Hi, my name is Patrick and I'm going to be teaching you how to do laundry at the laundromat. Recently, I haven't been doing a lot of laundry at my home, so I'm going to help out my mom and dad so they don't have to do it every day. Over here is where the change is. Over here is where you get soap. Today I brought my own. At this laundromat, there's different types of washers. This is one kind. On the other side, there's front load washers. Next, you would want to look around to see if there's any clothes. Put everything in here. Then after that's done, let's go through the steps. So first one is load clothes. I have already loaded the clothes in. Next one would be close door. And then select the cycle temp. It's okay if you've never inserted soap before because they have directions. Detergent and softener, those are the two things that I need to insert. Then after that, we would put the quarters in. And then start. Now this is the fun part because I get to sit back and relax. Next, you would want to find a dryer that has no clothes in it. If you want, you could add a dryer sheet so your clothes don't get all staticky and stuff. Close the door. Make sure you look at the arrows first. This one's going up, this one's going down. Insert, it says 25 cents. If you want more time, add more quarters. Now I have 17 minutes. You can take your laundry home or get it folded right away. I'm gonna fold, so it's just easier to take. And we're all ready to go. I hope you learned how to do laundry and I hope you go check out your local laundromat.